first in Krabi.
First day first. Versace pants. Rocking.
I know. Our little pants.
Gas station first? Okay.
Yeah, do that.
Day one, just got into Krabi last night. Woo, what a difference to Bangkok. Super nice weather, no humidity. Well, there's some humidity, but like not like Bangkok at all. It's amazing, got a breeze going on here. It's super beautiful. And today we're here with our buddies at Chillin' Bar, watching the Super Bowl. Super Bowl, 8 a.m. Rams versus the Patriots. It's gonna be a great day, great day. Very excited for Krabi. And we got our motorbike here. 250 baht for the day. 10 bucks Canadian. Love it. Love Thailand. Get it, boys. Just got down to the ocean here, Krabi, on our scooter. 250 baht for the day. Really beautiful here, really beautiful. Go for a nice swim. I love these boats here. Looks so cool. And the rocks.
All right.
Rocks look amazing. You guys are gonna love this. We took a little cruise on our motorbike and found a elephant sanctuary. Where is he? There they are. So this is where we are. Agnon Elephant Sanctuary, and this is where they help organize the care of retired elephants that have been rescued from riding camps, which is a big problem here in Thailand.
You gotta go with the right people.
Okay, so I'm about to touch this big elephant. Oh my god, what a feeling. Hey buddy. Wow. Wow, majestic. Can I touch face?
God, they're so majestic.
Woo. Amazing.
It's a video. Oh my god, pet it. Oh my god, so cute. Oh, he wants some, boo. Feed him some. Aww. Looks so nice.
Hey, these are crying. Got the full experience today, just us in this sanctuary. Amazing. And these are such majestic, nice, beautiful animals. Hopefully it doesn't hit me now or something. It's asking us for food always. It's hungry. What a day. What a day. Went off course, thank God.
Their skin is like amazing. Thank you.
Hey. So, finished up our day, first day in Krabi, at the sanctuary, at the beach, and beautiful, beautiful day. Now here at Mama's Kitchen, ate here earlier, here again because it's phenomenal. Let me show you what we are eating on here. So I got this beef and rice, a little spicy, but not much. And then Lyra got, what's it called, Lyra?
It's like a chicken Penang curry.
Penang curry, really good. One of their best dishes here. Everything is amazing here, and they have tons and tons of food. Keep forgetting to show the food, but we're enjoying it all. And a meal tonight, Indian restaurant. Masala butter chicken.